Hello, my name is Ando Morales Quipo. I am 30 years Alemán from Peru. I live in the departamento Cusco in la Convención province con Peru Chato. I am a university student. I am what would you want to like my family daily routine and tricks like lives. Personal information. I am a Peruvian and my nationality is Peruvian. Ligados and learners on the fact on the reality news, travelings and visit new places. My family, I am my family. My mother name is Ricardina Equipo Woman. She works in the marketing in the which shops and liquors and cook Guinea pig. My father works on the fans and business carpenter shops. I favorite foods in Starway. My sister name is Juana Morales Quipo. She has some make Ario her favorite food chicken chips and she likes to travel the country. My daily routine from Monday to Friday is on working on the morning, preparing lunches, until heredera, algorithm, one thing, one to return from 3 to 6 and 8 city classes. On, on Saturdays and Sundays, I work on al lunchmates. Is my clothes and meet university working mass. I also spend time with family and travel from Quebec to Quito by bus. I preferences. Favorite food is walking me favorite food is chicharrón and chicken broth. I also like reggaeton music. My hobby is traveling and learning for martial electronic money. Working always usually students intervention weddings. I often travel on the family activities. So many times I go out with friends.